Let me quickly tell you one good news about the Peau Jaune and how you can use it also. Maybe if you want to use it to promise for other product, fine. With other product, fine. But just how to use this Peau Jaune to achieve the total whitening you want, fine. That is what I want to show you today, and how you can use it without wasting time. You hear me? Alright guys, you welcome to AYA Cosmetic Nigeria, another brand new episode for you today. As a matter of fact, I tell you, if today is your first day, you're really stepping into this channel, make sure you subscribe, you like, and spread the good news to everybody. Make sure you click on the notification button also, so that you can get most of our video whenever we really upload new video. Or if you're a returning subscriber, also share and like. And I told you, don't forget this good news. I will tell you that if you want to buy your skincare recipe or ingredient or cosmetic, count on us. Make sure you count on us. You could just place your order, being wherever you are. Just place your order. You be in the US, you be in the UK, you be in the Asia country, wherever you are, even in Africa country, wherever you are, just place your order. You will always get them. I think I placed I uploaded a video where I was really packing some orders, and I think after that video, a lot of people also called from me. Some people called from Africa country as well too, like Ghana, and some come from UK, some come from US also. Those orders they be sent, that was day before yesterday. That's really a good one also for patronizing us. Anything about skincare recipe, anything about ingredient, cosmetic, count on us that we deliver, we don't fail, And again, another good news I want to tell you that yes, our app is almost ready, whereby you will be placing your order from. You don't need to if you are anywhere you are, you don't need to bother that, like, oh, how will I get this panic? No, you just place your order via the app. Just do your shopping in there. You just do your shopping honestly with the app, successful. So anywhere from now, I will drop it the link of the app. I will drop it the link for those of you who want to shop through the link through the app. You can always do the shopping in there. This is S-Smart. You don't need to dull. This is S-Smart. Make sure you get your recipe now. Make a good cream for your customers. Make a good cream for yourself. It's very necessary. Very necessary. This is S-Smart. Everybody need to look good. That is the logo. Okay. As for those of you who keep calling at that about your skincare recipe, how you can order, I told you, don't bother, don't disturb her, please. You can always get to us. You can always call me via the number on your screen. Y'all seeing the number? That is it. That is it. That is it. If you're outside Nigeria, you can just say +234. Then you add the number to it, So that is it. And trust us, That is our number one priority, to deliver your recipe, your cosmetic to you, your doorstep, Security is number one. So what do we want to talk about today? They said it's really big. Actually, it's big, but it's not too big. Let me quickly tell you one good news about the Peau Jaune and how you can use it also. Maybe if you want to use it to promise for other product, fine. With other product, fine. But just how to use this Peau Jaune to achieve the total whitening you want, fine. That is what I want to show you today, and how you can use it without wasting time. You hear me? Peau Jaune actually have the whole set. It has the lotion, it has the cup, and it have the serum, strong whitening serum, which is the oil. It has its own tube, and it has the injection also. All of this, they are boom. Look them, you can see them on your screen. I once sold this to a client, and because she came to me and she said she needs something for her body, that she want to look brighter. So I said, okay, if you really want to look brighter, or whatever you want to look whitening? And she said yes. She was okay, fine. I said okay, this is it. The thing is, if you want to look fine, I have a lot of product that can make you look fine. So I said okay, now, and I introduced her to this Peau Jaune, and she went home. When she went home, after some days, 1 week later, she called me. When she called me, she said, wow, this product really worked for her very well. I said, really? Okay, send me photos. She sent me photos. When I see her, like, oh my God, I told you this is how y'all gonna look like. Because the truth is, Peau Jaune, all of it is a real product. It's a real product. So, and she said she still need more of it, and I get her more of it. And after that, the next month, she came personally. When she came, I couldn't recognize her. Even me that sold this stuff for her, that sold the Peau Jaune for her. Wow! She became white, pure white, you know. So that is what all about Peau Jaune, you know. It's not fake. It's not fake. And don't tell me you've been using it before, it's not working out. It's not fake. When you mix it proper, I mean, you'll get the right result. Alright, like as I said, it has its own lotion, it has its own cup also. You can see that on the screen. And it has its own serum, which is the oil. Oh, all of them are strong, and it has its own, tube, and then it has its own mini injection, you know. All of them you see, they are very, very strong. Now, let me show you how you can use it. When you open the cream, when you open the cup cream, pour in another bowl, you understand, then you can put your tube, squeeze all of the tube inside, then pour all of the oil inside, you know, then do a proper mixing. I tell you, this is quick result. I tell you, and it will not damage your skin, because I see from that lady testimony, never, it's not going to damage your skin. Yes, she even asked for more. She asked for more. Like, I said, really? Okay, maybe I should let my people know. Also let the fans know that yes, you know, this is what Peau Jaune does. No, so it's like a blemishes free. You know, so what you just need to do, the injection also, you can just open it and add to it also, you know. You can use that injection to mix any of that lotion. You can use to mix any of that lotion. It must not be that you use it for only Peau Jaune set. No, you can just pour it in your lotion and mix, and also, and trust me, there's no breakout. Not gonna give you any breakout. So when you're using it with this Peau Jaune cup, put the oil, put everything, mix them, then you begin to use. But before you use, let me tell you, because the truth is, even the native doctor or even the real doctor, they gotta tell you that whatever medicine they prepare for you has procedure. If you want this to work proper, it has procedure. So the procedure of this, if you really want to get whitening with this Peau Jaune, first of all, you make sure you exfoliate your body. Yes, sometimes people, I don't know how you guys think sometimes. You think with this hard skin or with this, no. You want to use because it says a whitening product. No, you just have to get one of those better soap, you know, those soap that you know that they can really exfoliate yourself or scrub, you know. Yes,